Hi everyone, it's SOFTAIL here at IT Motorcycles in Leeds with this absolutely gorgeous 2022 Harley-Davidson BREAKOUT. So as you can see, it's got lots of accessories already. We have the sissy bar, we have the Vance & Hines short shots, we've got an Allen Ness large air breather, we've got the billet cut handles, we have the Willie G grips, we've got a flush petrol tank cover, and we also have the Willie G derby cover and cover over here as well. This bike is available exclusively at Leeds Harley-Davidson, so come on down.